So guys, hit the like and subscribe and press the bell for notifications. But I got new shoes, but makes me go faster. Look at them. Do you see them? I love them too. Let's see how fast I go. I hope I don't drop it. I'm doing a YouTube video, Mom.
Are you?
Yep. My first YouTube video. And can you make the dog go away? Because his fat butt is not gonna move. Alrighty, let's run. 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Guys, are you okay? Oh gosh. That was gnarly, guys.
Did you race? You racing, boy?
This time, let's see how fast you can go. So Daddy,
Whoa, switch around.
Daddy,
Not looking at me.
Daddy, come over here. So you start from there and you count to 1, 2, 3. And then when you say go, you run and you swap it.
So it's staring at my face.
Yeah.
Then I go 3, 2, 1, go!
Two more
Done.
laps.
2 more laps? No.
Fine.
You race.
I will show you. Daddy, move. I will show you. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, boy! Like your new shoes today.
How much laps am I going?
This is the third one.
My glasses.
5. 6. 8. 7. Alright, last one. 9.
Gotta go up to 10.
One more. Nice.
Nice.
I did 10 laps.
Here.
Okay, you're still recording.
Oh,